Hey guys, Dave here. And if you're here, then you're probably thinking about buying Ted's Woodworking. Now, before getting into my video review, I ask that you pay close attention to where you buy Ted's Woodworking from, because it is only available through his official website, which I've listed below. Many people are wasting their money thinking they are buying the original Ted's Woodworking and then finding out that it isn't. So please, make sure you buy it through his official website. Now, I've actually bought Ted's Woodworking myself, and so I wanted to give you my honest review. I've always dreamed of having beautiful handmade wooden furniture in my home when hosting friends for barbecues or for family gatherings, but never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that this would be possible, because I've never built anything in my life and I didn't think I was capable of doing so. But as soon as I bought Ted's Woodworking, I was speechless with how each plan was laid out, from the level of detail provided to the amount of information that each plan contained. Ted's Woodworking was designed to help the average person build various wooden projects from scratch. It includes over 16,000 carpentry plans. Each plan provides detailed step-by-step instructions to help beginners and even professionals to expand, refine, and master their craft. Ted's Woodworking contains a wide selection of categories for you to choose from, such as bird cages, cabinets, rocking chairs, armchairs, and beds, as well as even more advanced carpentry projects such as pool tables. If you acquire Ted's Woodworking, you will be able to tackle any of these projects, and if you do get stuck, don't worry, they have your back. They are available to answer your questions. Ted's Woodworking really works and is definitely worth it. Not only are the plans very detailed and easy to follow, each plan also outlines the list of materials you'll need, so you know exactly what is needed even before starting your project. Don't be intimidated, my friends. If I can do it, you definitely can. So try Ted's Woodworking today. And if you act now, you will qualify for a discount and receive several handy woodworking bonuses that are only available for a limited time. So act fast. And if you're not totally impressed, he offers a full 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. No questions asked. And remember that Ted's Woodworking is only available through his official website, which I have listed below. I hope you found my video review helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, my friends, happy carpentry. Bye.